Hi, my name is Jovann Persad, and I recently completed the B.A.Sc in Manufacturing and Design Engineering at the University of Trinidad and Tobago. This degree was split up into 3 subject areas: mechanical engineering, electrical/programming, and business, with design interwoven into each sector. This variety of courses taught me everything I need to know about product innovation and development, especially since both theory and practice were incorporated into every assessment. It is one of the many reasons that it earned its accreditation from the Institute of Engineering and Technology. The IIT is one of the world's leading academic accrediting institutions that awards academic accreditation to the higher education programs that meet the UK's standard for professional engineering competence. During my tenure as a student, I designed robots, created business plans, and built functional prototypes, and the most notable of which was my final year project, in which I explored a new concept to harness wave energy. And I believe this device can change the game for renewable energy in Trinidad and Tobago. This degree challenged me in ways that allowed me to realize my full potential, which is something I could not accomplish without the help of my lecturers, who took a hands-on approach to my edification. So if you have a passion for solving problems through creation and you want to push the boundaries of what you think is possible, then look no further and register today.